Hello, welcome to today's section. Today I come to learn something called clipping mask. So clipping mask simply means inserting an image or an object into another object. Okay, so what I'm trying to say that let's draw a shape. So I'll choose an eclipse or a circle. So I've drawn it nicely like this. Now let me insert or let me go and let me bring my image or let me import my image on the workspace. So we'll go to place embedded. What's in my objects? I will enlarge it to fit. You see now the object is on top of the image is on top of the shape. Okay. So always make sure that the image you are coming to do the clipping marks is on top. So if you come to the layer side to the same, so the arrangement of the layers will determine where the image will be. So let's drag the image here and see that it's missing or it is under it. Yes, so put on it. So you right click on the image, then you go to create clipping mask. You click on it and voila, your picture is inside the shape nicely. Have you seen it? Good. So this is how you create a clipping mask. So here you can even write your text under it. Maybe happy birthday or anything you see. So now you are beginning to do magic. Or you can even draw your shape. Can draw your shape nicely. Then you warp it. Okay. So warp, you can warp it nicely. So what is a build up of all what I've been teaching in our previous lesson. So if you are missing something, you can go back and then go and look at the warping side. Nicely like this. Then you can write something here. Okay. Now it's becoming interesting. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.